Good day, sir, madam. I am Mariluna Sinorihogo, 39 of age, blessed one boy, 11 years old. I am a Christian and I am a vocational graduate, computer communication. I have work experience and domestic helper in UAE, Abu Dhabi for 2 years Finnish contract since 2010 and 2012. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 months newborn baby boy. My duties are cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, washing dishes, ironing, car washing, and marketing, and also take care of the 2 month newborn baby boy. I have also work experience in Kuwait for 3 years and 1 month since 2015 to 2019. I serve 12 members of the family, that all adults, but the baby, the son and daughter is 5 boys and 5 girls. My duties are cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, washing dishes, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I have also experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months since 2022 and 2020 to 2022 April. I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 9 years old baby. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, washing dishes, ironing, marketing, car washing, and also send and pick up to the school the 9 years old boy. I have also experienced in Hong Kong for 10 months since 2023, February 2023 to December 4, 2023. I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 yeye, and 2 years old baby boy. And also I take care the cats of Brazilian 2 cats. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and take care the 2 years old baby boy and send pick up to the school, and also I care the yeye and the 2 cats, Brazilian cats. Sir, madam, I am honest, loyal, hardworking, and I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will assure you that you rely on me whatever work ask me to do. I want work again in Hong Kong for my future family, and that country is very nice and good people and not far my country. Sir, madam, if you hire me, I will do my best and to treat your family as my own family too. And also I will follow the all regulation and responsibility that you give to me. I hope, madam and sir, see you soon. Thank you.